Hey guys, it's Chris, and we're on my messy desk. This is my regular desk. I got one of these Divoom Tivos. This is one of those little pixel art things. Saw somebody on the old group that had one, and they made themselves a Commodore logo. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. Inspired by light and sound. Hard plastic packaging. My God, I don't want to. Can you just work with me here? Holy moly. Little piece of tape right here, I guess. A little flicky thing, but we're just gonna. There we go. Oh, there's tape. Inside, you get a Bluetooth speaker pixel art thing. Oh, here we go. There she is. Looks like a little old retro TV. Significant weight to the sucker, too. What's in here? Really hard, thick plastic ABS style case. Pretty cool. In the little Tivoo thing. My battery's going to die. It's blinking red. Get yourself a USB to micro, another cable, and a 3.5 to 3.5 for audio. Significant weight, pretty good. It's got a little baffle on the back to cover your ports, and a bass boomer right here, vents on the side for speakers, and also speakers in the front. Let's peel the plastic here. Yep. Nope. Yep. Plastic. We're going to turn it on, if it's got a charge. USB. That would be this one. Charging. Ooh. Ta-da! Bluetooth. Guess gotta use the old phone here. I downloaded the old Divoom app here. 1118. Check that out. Add my Divoom. So I enabled Bluetooth, downloaded the Divoom app, and we're gonna hit the plus. Scanning for your Bluetooth device. Adjusting pixel size. Connected. Alright. Firmware update. Click OK to fix bugs. Download the old firmware update. So it'll play audio, right? This thing's badass. So you get your little music dude, like whatever your audio's doing, right? But then you can make your own. Using the app here, you can just go to like clock, select different ones. Whatever you do on the screen is instantly there. But when you go to your custom little dude here, where is it? Channel. Custom. Look what I got. Made custom channels, and you can set how fast that they're going to update. And there's tons of these. I didn't make any of these. These are all searched on their little store here, and you can just. There's tons of them. You just basically press the plus, go to search, Amiga, and browse all sorts of different ones. And there's a nice Commodore one also of the same thing, where you can get pre-done animated or snow or whatever you want. And if you wanted that on your screen, you could just press the button and then say upload. This will upload. You see the upload screen or downloading from my phone. There it is right there, sending it. And then it will have that TV channel to be cycling through, and eventually it will get to the Commodore Snow. And I have the Amiga check mark. I can change the channel here. There's the weather. Light patterns, I guess. Hot, I don't know. Fireplace, snow, randomizer for audio. The dude who was dancing, my channel 1 of a rotating Commodore logo, and some other ones. The stationary one and the one that cycles through the boing ball. This button here also depresses to get you into Bluetooth mode. Stop. So I just pressed it, didn't launch anything on my phone. I had Pandora running in the background. And this button is the audio in. the Bluetooth or your whatever mode you're in if you're going to plug in the back. But right now I have it on Bluetooth. And then, of course, volume up, volume down, symbolized by, you know, minus or plus, which way you're going. And you can press this, and it does something. Let's see. I think it cycles through your channels. I forget. So, anyway, I like it. It's really cool. And when I'm changing channels on the device, you'll see it changes the app on my phone. There's the account. Go back to my screen. There's my 2. And I can go to my other channel here. Boop. There's all my 1s. And you can see so channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. And this one is nothing. This is weather, lighting, a cloud channel. That's just randomly what's on the internet. The visualizer, I can have it on my face guy. And my channel again. So it just repeats. And it's synchronized with the app through Bluetooth. And that's it. How much was this puppy? Well, it's not the largest screen. This is an iPhone XS Max. So this is Voltron's foot. It's about 1 Voltron foot. There's my dill pickles. So about the size of your hand, I guess. Fist. 16 by 16 pixel art screen. And I love this thing. It's cool. Battery has like a bunch of numbers. I think it was 3,000 milliamps. I'm just going to leave it plugged in so it's always charging. But you can unplug it and stays running. Nothing on there. And this has a rubber cover to cover up your ports. Has a power button. There's a micro SD card in here so you can expand on the old storage, possibly music. Don't know. Didn't read anything. Plugged it in, downloaded the app, and started playing. Maybe I'll read the book. Audio in, audio out, and just charge my battery. You saw it. And that's it. I just bought it for Amiga art. So it was $59. Got a couple of them. So you'll be seeing those in the background. This has been the Divoom Tivoo Smart Pixel Art Bluetooth speaker. You can find yours on Divoom.com or the old e-booger. Yep, I can't read any of that. It's got some stuff. So check them out online. I'm not sponsored. Well, I'm sponsored by My Wallet. And so look forward to when that thing purchases some other items in the future. This has been another Amiga Short, useless video. Hope it finds you well. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.